Hello. Today I will teach how to withdraw from your Banker Quotes account. The first thing you will need to do is to log into your account. Now please go to the Finance option, located on the left menu. Once you click on it, it will open. Please select the General option. In here you will see two options on the top right. One is to save your wallet and the other one is to make the withdrawal request. Please make sure to save the correct wallet before requesting your withdrawal. Saving your wallet is easy. Just paste your wallet, click the Get Code option so you can receive a confirmation code to your email. Once you have done that, type your password and click on Save. Now we can request your withdrawal. Please confirm the wallet you saved is the same that is showing here. Here you will need to type the amount. Please notice the amount cannot be less than $100. You can type the amount manually, or if you would like to withdraw all your balance you can use the option Max on the right. Once you have typed the amount, click on Withdraw. The system will ask you for two codes. You can get one of them by clicking the Get Code option. That code will be sent to your email. The second one is your security PIN. In a previous video we talked about how to set it up. You type your security PIN here and click Continue. After that your withdrawal request will be sent to the Finance department. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.